Hi friends, welcome to Integral Maths Academy. Today's topic is trigonometric formulas. We can see first the values sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. We know that some of the basic formulas sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta. It is interchange. Okay, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. It is interchange. Okay. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. It is an interchange. Or the tan theta has another formula sin theta by cos theta, or cot theta has another formula cos theta by sin theta. Okay, these are the basic formulas in trigonometry. Trigonometry ratio table. First write the angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay. We know that sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. First, sin 0 equal to 0. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 90 equal to 1. Cos theta values are, write the backward of these values, means 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. 1 here, root 3 by 2 here, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 same, 1 by 2 right here, 0, 0. Okay. Tan theta. Divide this sin theta and cos theta, we can get tan theta values. Okay. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. 0 by 1, we can get 0. See here, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. Okay. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 equal to root 3. 1 by 0 is infinity. Is undefined value. Okay. 1 by 0 equal to infinity or undefined value. We can say that. Cot theta. Coming to cot theta, write the backward direction of these tan theta values. Okay. Infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Okay. Sec theta. Sec theta means inverse of cos theta. Okay. Write the inverse of cos theta values is equal to sec theta. 1 inverse is equal to 1. Okay. Root 3 by 2 inverse, 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 inverse, root 2. 1 by 2 inverse, 2. Here 0 by 1 inverse 1 by 0. It is undefined value. Okay. Cosec theta. Write the backward direction of sec theta. Infinity, 2 root 2, 2 root 3 by 2 by root 3, 1. Okay. This is a trigonometry ratio table. Infinity we can also write as undefined value. Undefined value. 0 by 1, it is equal to 0. 0 by 1 equal to 0. 1 by 0, it is not defined value or undefined value. Okay, it is undefined value. It is undefined value. This is undefined value. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, if there is any doubts, comment. I will clear the doubts. We can see some of the trigonometric formulas from the right angle triangle. If the theta is here on the C, okay, first sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, here cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. First, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse. Whereas cosec theta, the reciprocal of sin theta is equal to cosec theta, means hypotenuse by opposite. It is very easy. Okay, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. The reciprocal of cos theta equal to sec theta, means hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Reciprocal of tan theta equal to cot theta. Then adjacent by hypotenuse, opposite. Sorry. These are the values came from the right angle triangle.